Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about tips for maintaining a strong relationship bond. Whether you're just starting out or have been with your partner for a while, it's important to continually work on and strengthen your bond as a couple. So, without further ado, here are some tips for maintaining a strong relationship bond. Communicate openly and honestly. Communication is crucial in any relationship. Make sure to regularly check in with your partner about your feelings and needs and be open and honest about your thoughts and emotions. Show appreciation and gratitude. It's important to show your partner that you appreciate them and are grateful for them. Make sure to regularly express your love and appreciation through words, actions, and gestures. Spend quality time together. Make time for each other and prioritize your relationship. Whether it's a date night or simply spending an evening at home together, it's important to make time to connect and have fun together. Practice forgiveness. Mistakes are inevitable in any relationship, but it's important to learn to forgive and move forward. Make sure to practice forgiveness and let go of grudges in order to strengthen your bond as a couple. Practice active listening. When your partner is talking to you, make sure to really listen and pay attention. Show that you care about what they have to say and are interested in what they have to share. Be each other's support system. Make sure to be there for each other during the good times and the bad. Offer support and encouragement to your partner and be there for them when they need it. Practice kindness and respect. Show your partner kindness and respect at all times. Make sure to treat them with love and care and to always speak to them with kindness and respect. Make an effort to understand each other. Make an effort to understand your partner's perspective and to see things from their point of view. This will help to strengthen your bond and improve your communication as a couple. Make your relationship a priority. Make sure to prioritize your relationship and put in the effort to make it a strong and healthy one. This may involve making sacrifices or going out of your way for your partner, but it will be worth it in the long run. Keep the romance alive. Make sure to keep the romance alive in your relationship. This may involve doing little things like leaving love notes or planning surprise date nights, but it's important to make sure to keep the spark alive in your relationship. So, there you have it, 10 tips for maintaining a strong relationship bond. Remember, every relationship is different and what works for one couple may not work for another. The most important thing is to find what works for you and your partner and to constantly work on and strengthen your bond as a couple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship advice and tips.